Hi, my name is Gloria Rubio, and I did my project on the software Clo, which is a 3D fashion design software. Changing the world with virtual garments is a quote that you may find on their website. So, 3 potential benefits of using virtual prototyping. The first one being that it is sustainable. It cuts down the number of prototypes interactions, and that helps decrease the manufacturing process and material cost. Second, it is a rapid development. There has simple introduction of changes that you can do, whether that be color or pattern. And designing, you can design without actually physically being there. So that helps more with like the rapid development, since you can do everything online and on the computer. And lastly, it helps identify issues beforehand, and that helps you optimize product for best performance and cost. And you also get like better products and qualities, and it helps accelerate the development cycles, going back to the rapid development. Now, 3 potential limitations of using virtual prototyping. The first one being that it is user confusion, since it is a new type of technology and some might not gain this full potential due to the lack of understanding. The second one being that there's no physical quality, so everything is done through technology, and it also may lack efficient mechanical simulation like folds and wrinkles. And then there is the insufficient analysis, since like I mentioned earlier, it is a new instrument being used in the fashion field, so it may take more time to adapt and understand it, so you can highlight the full potential. And sometimes like you may not even represent the exact human figure that they use on their 3D model. I said like some websites do a good job in doing that. So about Clo software. They meet up with numerous designers and pattern makers to receive feedbacks. So this helps have like an accurate and more representable tools and features that the people can use in their when they're creating. And they're designed to be as accurate and realistic as possible, so it can look and act the same as a physical garment. And they have had 18 years of expertise in 3D garment simulation and virtual fitting. And so I can tell that they've been like in this field for like for some time now, so they have like gained more knowledge about it. So what is the tool? The tool I decided to go with was the fabric evaluator, although they have many other tools and features that you can use. So what does this specific tool do? Well, it accurately evaluates drapes, sensitive fabrics, and various material properties. It is possible to also create custom physical properties for fabrics. So this helps with the one of the limitations that I mentioned, that like since you cannot physically touch it, but like at least this provides you with like you can use like wrinkles or like drapes like in your picture and stuff. So how does it overcome the limitations? Well, it provides tutorials and resources. It provides you with descriptions and information and about how to use the software, so there won't be no user confusion. And lastly, there's texture and accuracy. So this helps make the garment to appear more realistic, and it also provides with accuracy representation as if it was real. So my argument, I said that it can almost fully replace the physical assessment. So yes, I believe that the software can replace everything through its tools and features except for the physical touch of the garment and textile fibers, which is understandable. But the software provides you with different features that focuses on all aspects of the creation of a garment, from the fabric to the sewing to the tacking and even to the grading of it, all except for the physical touch throughout the process. So in conclusion, I did the introduction to virtual prototyping technology. I stated the benefits of using virtual prototyping in the fashion industry, which is sustainable, it is a rapid development, and it helps identify issues beforehand. I also talk about the limitations that virtual prototyping brings, which is user confusion, no physical qualities, and insufficient analysis. And I even mentioned like the background of Clo, and I provided with an example of a tool feature that they have and what it does and how it overcomes the limitations that I mentioned, and also stated my argument as to why it can be an option for replacement. Thank you so much for listening.